Welcome to our channel, where we provide informative and helpful tips to manage diabetes. Today, we'll be discussing the best morning superfoods for diabetes. Starting your day with the right foods is crucial to maintaining your blood sugar levels throughout the day. As someone with diabetes, you may experience a rise in blood glucose levels in the morning, which can lead to hyperglycemia. It's important to monitor your blood sugar levels periodically, especially in the morning on an empty stomach. Clinical experts suggest that the rise in blood sugar levels is the body's way of ensuring that you have enough energy to start the day. If you have high sugar levels, it's important to eat foods that promote satiety, release glucose slowly, and provide sustained energy throughout the day without causing sugar spikes. Here are the top 5 morning superfoods for diabetes. Ghee and turmeric powder. If you have normal blood sugar levels, you can try this powerful combination of 1 teaspoon ghee with turmeric powder, which is beneficial in controlling sugar cravings and lowering inflammation, which is commonly seen in diabetes. Alkalizing drinks. Adding 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 30 milliliters of amla juice, or lemon juice with 100 milliliters of water has an alkalizing effect on the body. An alkaline body helps in better healing and managing blood sugar levels throughout the day. Infused water. Cinnamon is a spice that imitates the effects of insulin in lowering blood sugar. Preparing an herbal tea infused with cinnamon powder can help you manage your blood sugar levels throughout the day. Fenugreek water. Soak 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds overnight and consume the water along with chewing the seeds to lower the absorption of carbohydrates during the day, which is helpful in controlling diabetes. Protein snack. If you experience hypoglycemia or low blood sugar in the morning, try a small protein snack like soaked almonds, walnuts, or fruit with nut butter. Drinking tea or coffee on an empty stomach may not be a great idea, but you can opt for a puffed millets chivda, mung kakra, mung jor garam, or soaked sprouts to keep your blood sugar levels under control. Starting your day with the right foods can make a significant difference in managing your blood sugar levels throughout the day. These morning superfoods are packed with essential nutrients that are beneficial for people with diabetes. Remember to monitor your blood sugar levels regularly and seek advice from a clinical nutritionist for a personalized meal plan that suits your unique requirements. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips on managing diabetes.